This code.org lesson is one of my favorites. It is dance party time. I can't dance, I can code. Let's dive right into some of those foundational principles of programming.
This is code.org and dance party time. All right, let's keep going here. Drag the make a new cat at the center block into the workspace and connect it. Okay. Choose cat or sloth. Awesome. So I'm just going to grab this and drop it here. Now set up make a new cat center. Of course, I'm going to change it to a sloth. And then when we hit run, this block should happen. Yeah. Awesome. Go, sloth, go. It's a quick sloth. Onward. Another video. Cool. Next. The win up press block lets you run code when you press the arrow buttons. Use the cat do clap block to make it clap. Okay. So set up, our cat will appear, and then upon this action, this event, we want the cat to clap. So win up press. Run. And then I'll go ahead. Oh, wait. Yeah, when left pressed. Boom. Oh, nope, went up. Bam, 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 bam. That's kind of fun. Onward. Here we are. It's time for a dance-off. Oh, boys. Program each dancer to move when you press different keys. Oh, yeah, so we have these events already. Choose your favorite move for each dancer or set it to random. Ooh. All right, let me see what they have already. Okay. So right now we have the up for this. Let me go ahead and for our cat. Ooh, it already has it at random. Now this is down, that will up. We can leave it at that. Random, or maybe actually I want to see. Let's see disco. And I don't know. Yeah, we'll leave that. Okay, let's take a look. So when up. Click. So when that event happens, it should be different each time. And then for the cat, it's when down. What's disco? Fancy. Whatcha? Onward. Video. Let's get the dancers moving in time with music. Oh, boys. This is something I can't do myself, but you know, I like coding, so I probably can't dance. Maybe I shouldn't say that. Anyways, connect the after 4 measures block to the shark do this or that. Okay, so after 4 measures, so after 4 measures of the song, something's going to occur. And what do we want to occur? So after this event, we're going to have shark do this or that block from the toolbox. Your dancer should start to a new move after the 4th measure. Measures are used in music to count time. Alright. Go, shark, go. So 4's up. Yeah. And so after this event, this occurs. Woohoo! Alright, now we're grooving. Add after 4 measures block up to your workspace. Make the dancer start a new move after 6. Oh, after 6. Cool. Okay, so we have the 4 one after 6. So now we have 2 events. On setup, we're going to make our frog. Now after 4 measures, they're going to perform this move. Now after 6. Oh yeah, that's for sure. Okay, let's see. Now after 4, so on 5, this event should happen. Yeah, go. Go, frog, go. Ooh, fancy. Onward. Use the new block to set up a group of small backup dancers around a lead dancer. Make new blah, blah, blah. Okay, so we're going to do this at setup. So right when the program starts. So when we hit the orange run button, setup happens. Okay, so let's see. Make, wow, 10 would be a lot. Okay, 10. Oh, I love the sloths. I might leave that. All right, so I have 10. Now I create a bunch of backup dancers at once. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's see my backup dancers. I got those. Do I want sloths though? Pineapples. I'll do 8. Circle's fine, I guess. Yeah, diamond. And then a main dancer. Okay. So I'll make a new unicorn. I liked this shark in the center. Let's see. Awesome. Onward. Ooh, properties. Okay. So we're going to get into, size, maybe speed. Awesome. So properties are parts of objects in programming. So we must be thinking of our sprite as the object, and we can change aspects of them. So every dancer has a set of properties that controls what it looks like. Use set size under the green event block to make the dancers appear closer or farther away. Yeah, so set size. All right, and they already gave us a bunch of code. Let's see what it does. Cool. Oh, I see what they're doing. Okay, and now we can use this property, set size, and we can either do it on the event, or maybe I want to set it at the beginning. Oh no, under a green event block. Okay, so after 4 measures, let's see. Why don't I'll just attach it here. Let's see what 50 looks like. Right now, right after 4, the event triggers. Oh yeah, they zoomed in. Oh, that's awesome. Cool. I bet we're going to use that property more. All right. Dancers have a tint property that can add a layer of color. Try changing the tint of one of your dancers or the entire group. Color. So again, just like size, tint is something we can control a property on our dancer. So set bear size. I'll do this after 4 measures, and I want to do tint to... Oh, I need... So tint is going to be somewhat like size. It's a property of our dancer, of our sprite, of our object. So unicorn to, feel like unicorn's that. Change the tint of one of your dancers or the entire group. So I'll change the tint of unicorn after 4 measures, but I can also put a tint block up here. So initially on setup, I might change all of my bear's tint. You can see they're already changing the property size up here, but I'll change all my bears tint, I don't know, to green. Let's see. And you can see they're green. Now after 4 measures, boom, yeah. Onward. This new block is a special kind of event triggered over and over. Repeat loop or loop. By placing the other block inside of blocks in your toolbox inside the repeat block, you can repeatedly change dancer's properties. When done, press finish. Okay, so we can see what it's doing already. Now, every 2 measures set black effect, black, white, random. So the color will be random. All do random dance move forever. Oh, so every 2 measures, they're going to change dance moves. And the background color. That's awesome. Okay, so I'm going to also do randomize all. Oh, there's so much stuff. What if I randomize their rotation? That's pretty cool. And I can even do something else, like every 4 measures. Or you know what, maybe every 3 measures, all change horizontal position by 10. Let's check it out. So I'll have this event trigger after 3 measures, this one after every 2, and it just will repeat it each time that it occurs. 1, 2, so now it's this thing. Quapow! Every 3. This is so cool. And of course, we could have even changed some of this. Onward. Video. Get your groove on. Create a dance of your own and share with friends. I'm excited about this. So I'll speed this up and talk about mine at the end. Awesome. Let's see mine. Okay, so what I have here is my dancers. I did a row of pineapples, a row of bears. Every 5 measures, the neon effect changes in the background. And then when up is pressed, so I even have events like this, so I can hit up here, and change up their dance moves, or down and change all of their tints randomly. Pretty cool. So setup initializes all of this. This repeats depending on our measures, these different effects, and then these events allow us to change with input what's going on. I hope yours is really cool too. Onward.